Hi, I'm Carrie LaPoo.
And I'm Mark Despotakis, and we'd like to tell you a little about TV5.
Clarion's very own TV5 Clarion University Broadcasting serves as an educational tool and resource for Clarion University and the surrounding community.
We broadcast everything from Borough Council meetings live to 3 newscasts a week. TV5 is an institution valued by both students and the community as a whole. Students from Clarion University's Communication Department are the most involved in TV5, but students from all majors are welcome to participate. Each and every TV5 production is student-produced, directed, and hosted.
TV5 News provides local news coverage as reported by Clarion University students. Student reporters, anchors, and producers create a newscast 3 nights a week that reflects the news of the day in Clarion. TV5 is also a CNN affiliate, and that affiliation allows us to bring the world closer to you.
My show, Feedback with Mark Despotakis, is TV5's public affairs and interview program. Topics range from discussing local and national politics to flying with a medical helicopter team. Broadcasting 2 nights a week, we strive to inform, educate, and entertain our viewers.
TV5 also broadcasts Clarion Borough Council Live each month. The meeting takes place at the Clarion Free Library, and TV5 students air the program from our mobile production trailer.
Sports are also a large part of the TV5 identity. Local sports such as Clarion University Athletics are an integral part of our newscasts, but they are also featured during our weekly sports program, Sports Night.
We also give you the latest news from Pennsylvania state government, broadcasting such shows as Focus on Pennsylvania and Capitol Conversations. You get to see what your state representatives are up to in Harrisburg. TV5 has been Clarion's very own for over 20 years and will continue to be an information source for students and members of the community in the new millennium.
And we hope you'll join us into this new millennium as we watch history unfold right here on Clarion's very own TV5.